Hey YouTube, how's it going? We're back at it with another banger video here today on the channel. Today's video is round 100 gameplay. First, I'm going to start off by telling you guys the best strat to do this is to run threes. And then what you're going to do is you're just going to watch the spawn points that you see us watching in the video. Now, if you like the video, make sure to hit the like button down below. If you want to see more content like this, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Stream daily at twitch.tv/Geesh30. Thanks for watching. Enjoy the video. I'll catch you in the next one. When I run through that stuff, it picks up so much that my game just like, stutters. When I was in the chopper with the Ring of Fire before, it killed them so fast that like half of my eliminations didn't pop up until like I was on the ground.
That's for the ringmate?
I will in right after this.
Yeah. Oh, big boy's up. Have a ring if we need it. Always got a ring on standby for it.
I have mine.
Kill these guys! Oh. I'm just stay down. I was inside. Come back up. Yeah, pop back up. Bro. Keep some from my show. Getting soft, my friend. Someone is. I'm trying to throw a monkey. These motherfuckers are reviving. And then the round's gonna end right. That's alright. Gosh, I'm just running away just so I can reload. Oh my god. Dogs get you like one hit. Yeah, casually training under a 93, no problemo. Oh my god.
But like about that.
I'm trying to make it back up.
It's either end of round or you have the entire.
I have the entire map. It could very well be the round as well.
I'm popping my ring. Alright boys, you know that ninja meme? I'm not seeing enough movement. Well, when we're in our ring, I'm seeing too much movement. I'm shooting more of my... Wait, where'd my ring go? There's no shot it ran out that fast.
I gotta go get a self. I had a chopper. I guess I could use that chopper.
I don't think so. I think I still have a cell. I'm going out on the limb that I have a cell.
I certainly need some monkeys.
If I'm really about to go down, I'll just pop my choppy.
Yeah, but what if we're in a choppy? Then what? Then you're cucked. And the run is dead. Then the run is scuffed.
I'll just come back with
I'm only kidding.
my Pellington.
But do you have that fire? I know you got that.
That thing does not kill the zombies even with Ring of Fire right now.
You know what it does? It's afraid. It's a monster.
Yeah, Connor.
Yeah,
Another one. Just like instant.
It really is, though.
ammo.
Oh, just as I was running low in the Krieg. I love it.
Fucking me.
Hey, O'Connor, lay down some fire down that line.
Fire.
Yeah, I can self-revive it.
Laying all sorts of fire down.
Reloading. Connor.
I'm sorry. I was
Trying to run my way.
If
I'm
we
getting
should
fucked up
go
right now.
I was trying to do the monkeys take forever.
They do take absolute. Josh, I'm trying to protect.
I've got him.
I was stuff. I used the stuff. I was just protecting you. Oh god, I gotta reload. Alright, try to return to my spot. Oh, very nice. I'm gotta get eaten.
I can get it.
Who the fuck is hitting me?
Hey, Connor.
That dog. Oh, I got There's a monkey out now.
No, I just ran
Let's
out.
ignore the monkey.
I can send it around.
Alright, it's sent around you. I got a little sloppy.
Now get out of my face.
Should go buy stuff right quick. Buy some ammo right
I don't think
quick.
you used yourself.
I didn't use my stuff, you're right.
I mean, I'm still gonna go check if I'm not sure if I used. I think I used mine that round.
I mean, you can see if you.
It shows next to your points.
Cap?
If you see that
Next
little,
to,
it's
like-
like the jug logo. For some reason.
I think it's just. Oh, down on the bottom. Oh.
Yeah, right next to your points.
I thought you meant on like the.
So
What do you know?
You have
fire, Connor.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Every time I shoot, the Raven inches me back ever so slightly. Eventually, I'll be touching this back wall, yeah.
Josh, your guy. Oh my god.
Peak
What?
comedy, Josh.
Just with the glitch, the guy's holding it like with the back. But
What if
whatever
I do
you're
this?
just doing, laying down, it looked like you were on one of those like Tron bikes. Where
What if
you
I
lean
spec my
forward.
gun? Like, what does it look like to you guys?
Right now, you're holding it behind your head.
Josh hit their name? Let's go.
So guys, if you're trying to get around 100, just get the ray gun.
Just use the Krieg.
Don't worry.
Really?
Big guy's up here.
Oh, he's already split. Jeez, that dog like sick of Connor, you might pop. I sacrificed my life for the noob.
Very nice.
What's up, bro? You ain't so tough no more, huh?
Pussy. What's up? Josh, do you have yours yet?
Yes.
I think you're about to get it, right? Alright.
Yeah, we'll save your guys, like, in case of emergency.
We kind of got an emergency one. You get your shit damn fast.
Oh, this is crazy. The guy sent Gavin across the top.
Yeah.
Gavin, I'm sorry, I was reloading.
I was gonna say, I noticed how there's a lot of damage being done to just me doing damage. Oh, I'm out of ammo.
Go run through the boss and stuff.
There we go.
Who's that that next to. I'm about to get fucked up.
That would be me. Tis
Gavin's lighting me up.
Oh. Oh wait, no, no, no.
Emergency!
Thank you. Josh, I sacrificed my life to not let you get a pineapple by immediately shooting the ground. Almost got my ass though.
Max ammo.
I can cover you if you want to go for it.
Yeah. Where's this fucking dog?
What about you, Pina?
Eating Josh, pineapple. I can't see a thing. Shit, oh my god. I gotta stay armored up, dude. They're eating my ass.
Carpenter. Are you guys getting?
Asking you shall receive.
Are you guys getting like a glitch where like some of the zombies that you kill are just like standing there like mannequins after?
Yes.
Oh, I'm getting pissed on. I'm getting pissed on. Alright, Josh, can you try to. Oh, not yet.
What were you gonna say?
So I'm gonna try to return to my spot. But then I reload. So I cut through a little bit.
I think my point total is gonna be absolutely crazy just because of also how many assists I'm getting with the Ring of Fire.
Oh, yeah. Also, I think I have the Krieg done.
For you, Connor.
Thank you very much. I have 2,500. It didn't pop up, but I just didn't notice it. Because I only used the Krieg. That's your headshots. Oh, you know what? Maybe my dead wire. I might still have a few hundred. Dead wire might be snagging them.
Nah, you shouldn't. If all 2,500 are from,
Yeah, but the dead wire
But
is
he
probably
doesn't know
better.
for sure.
No, as long as it pops up for, critical kills, it counts.
Yeah, I'm not sure. It didn't pop up. Maybe there's some stuff going on. Maybe I just missed it.
Well, go sicko mode.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna continue to use it. It's fine. It saves ammo.
I think it's safe to say you probably have your pack of punch kills.
Oh yeah. I'm trying to think like what else I could need.
Silly little crawler trying to sneak through. Another one. It's getting progressively faster. Like, I'm getting it quicker and quicker just because they're spawning so much faster. Not faster, but like more.
Yeah.
Undead tangle down.
Max ammo.
Hell yeah.
God, that was like a super sprinter.
I mean, they are super sprinters.
Homie turned into Usain Bolt, just ran at Gavin.
Yeah, I've been getting a lot of those. Every time I try to reload. Every time I try to...
Oh, Gavin.
Oh, we're on the precipice.
The precipice.
Well, actually, technically we had to, if we're just going to 100, for
We
it
have
to
to
come up
beat
as
100,
100,
yeah.
we'd have to be on 101.
Oh, we're gonna go to 101.
I don't know
Go
what
to
the plan is for
200,
that.
boys.
See, like we could, but I really don't want to.
What's everyone doing tomorrow?
It's not happening.
Stop.
You're not gonna keep it paused.
Nah, I got the chance to play.
But like, what's more important, like this run? Unfortunately.
Plus, I'm gonna need the ESPN app at like.
Well, we gotta do a clean extraction.
I just don't know if that's really gonna happen, Gavin.
It's easy, bro.
Around 100 extraction.
Hell yeah, dude.
We all have chopper gunners, and we're all.
We try to do 2 choppies and a one machine. Like. Easy.
I'm reloading.
It's 101's an exfil round, right?
Yeah.
We could do that.
Yeah.
I guess for video purposes too, around 101 exfil is best.
I just. Yeah. But maybe I could just, I could hold off on the feet when we need it.
Help,
At least need the ESPN.
help. I'm out of ammo.
Danger. Heyo.
So Connor, what'd you just say?
I'm gonna at least need the ESPN app, so I'd rather exfil.
Wait, didn't you just get a smart TV?
True, actually.
So
Okay, we're exfilling.
that's not very cash money, okay. At this point, I'm like trying to think, like if we played.
Big boy.
I got mine.
Alright,
That works. Alright, that's fine.
Connor,
Another
pop
big
yours.
boy.
I'm on it.
I think I'm gonna have like 1.5 million points. I think I'll at least have 1 million.
You're at 600,000.
You're at 670,000.
No, like for total.
Score.
Yeah.
Oh my god, it's spawned right here, Josh. Okay. Oh my lord.
That's not a very cash money
I'm
place
throwing
to
a
put that
monkey.
around.
I'm chopper.
I threw a monkey.
Easy. Holy crap. It's so scary when he spawns there, he's like an instrument.
Extra window available.
Is he still here? Or do you guys piss on him?
No, we killed him.
He's dead.
Alright, so we're
Round
exfilling.
over. Yeah.
Is that the wave?
Oh. I think so.
Right.
Are we exfilling
Yeah.
or pausing for tomorrow?
Should I buy the...
Don't accept this
Area
yet
top.
until you're ready. No.
Oh my god, I'm getting eaten by this fucking zombies.
Well, I'm
Let me go
stuck
down.
on the roof now.
Yeah.
When can I accept?
When?
When?
Just accept it, yeah.
We need an evac. Ahora mismo, cojones.
Alright, I'm at pond. There's already a big boys.
Chopper inbound. We got a
Lion
limited window
over
here.
here.
Get a move on.
Feel free to chop you.
I'm gonna use my chopper now.
Yeah. You don't have to.
I'm in my ring of fire if you guys want to hop in there.
Hello.
I'm running around.
Yeah, I have a monkey down. Toss all those things.
Nice. I have a cell phone, so.
Oh, good. Monkey.
Dude, what the fuck? Tell me the second that choppy.
You could go in your chop.
Oh, yeah, you're all set.
Alright. Alright.
Wow. Look at that.
Missile lock on at 30. Strike team moving.
Son of a bitch. Imagine not being here.
Team acquired. We're done.
Look at
Let's
that.
fucking go!
Well done.
Let's fucking
Hogger
go!
GG,
chat,
too
boys.
easy.
Damn, 3-person is so much easier than anything
Yeah,
else.
holy crap.
Oh, dude, we had that roof on lockdown.